Hey, it's Cindy, and today we're going to talk about restoring your hair extensions with a deep conditioning treatment. This can be done on any hair extension to have longer lasting wear and can also be done while it is attached or in between maintenance. When doing a deep conditioning treatment on any hair extensions, the first thing you need to do is brush out all the tangles. Start from the bottom, work your way up, and always brush in a downward direction. If you are wearing your hair extensions, get the tangles underneath. This is important to ensure the other side of your extensions is tangle-free. The best way to do this is to part your hair into sections. Wet the hair thoroughly and apply sunshine shampoo, ensuring the hair is completely covered. Clean thoroughly, rinse, and towel dry. Apply a generous amount of number 3 Olaplex Hair Perfector treatment from roots to the ends of damp towel dried hair. Comb it through starting from the bottom, working your way up and brushing in a downward direction. Remember to brush the other side as well. If you're wearing your hair extensions, ensure to brush underneath. Leave on for 10 minutes and extend the time required. Then rinse off the treatment from the hair and shampoo again with sunshine shampoo. Rinse, then apply sunshine conditioner. Comb through and leave the conditioner on for a minute or two. Rinse and towel dry. To avoid clumpy looking hair, place your hair extensions on a stand and use a blow dryer to style. Or if you are wearing your hair extension, blow dry and style as usual. We don't recommend air drying as it will make managing the styling process more difficult. Continue to use the treatment once a week to repair, protect, and strengthen all hair types. For compromised hair, use it 2 to 3 times a week.